Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn how to crochet a beautiful card. As you know, we mostly use strings. We crochet only just make chains to make a string. So today I'm going to show you a very beautiful tutorial of beautiful strings to use in anything you want. So we will start it with a slip knot and chain 2. Insert the hook into the first chain, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, pull it through both loops. A little turn, insert the hook into this one loop. As you can see, there is only one strand and one loop. You will just grab the yarn and pull it through this loop and make a single crochet. Turn it a bit more, insert the hook into these 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops, so insert the hook into these both loops, pull up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So this is just insert the hook into these both loops and make a single crochet. Turn a little, insert the hook into both loops and make a single crochet. This is how we will continue to work. Turn, insert the hook into both loops, pull up a loop and pull it through 2. Continue in the same way. Just keep it in mind that every time we have to turn it and then insert the hook into these both loops. Just this is the main key of the card, that we will turn it every time. Make single crochets into these 2 loops until you get your desired length. As you can see, this is how it will look. Okay, one more time I will repeat with the other color. As you can see, I will just make a slip knot, chain 2, insert the hook into the second chain, make a single crochet. Turn, you have one loop this side, so insert the hook into this one loop and make a single crochet. Turn it, insert the hook into both loops, make a single crochet. Turn, insert the hook into both loops. You can use this card for any bag, for any wrapping blanket or anything else you want. This is so beautiful. Just repeat the same pattern until you get your desired length. You will repeat it. I will show you after working a few more stitches. As you can see, I am done with my work. I hope you will like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.